Hi, good day. I'm Reggie Balis, and this is how sharpen my knife with 45-degree angle from heel to tip. Now I'm gonna show you how to debone pork hamlet and pork shoulder. First, remove the femur bone or the dangler bone. Yan. This is the dumbbell bone. Next is blade shoulder. This is the blade shoulder. First, remove the blade shoulder. Next is remove the humerus bone. This is the humerus bone, and thank you.